saddle key. The definition is it is the key which fits in the keyway of the hub only, whereas sunk key which fits in both the keyways of the hub and shaft. But saddle key means it is a key which fits in the keyway of the hub only. The principle involved is some frictional forces present between the two surfaces, means between the surface of the key and the surface of the shaft, which is responsible for the power transmission. Only the frictional forces present between the key and the shaft surfaces are responsible for this power transmission. Okay. Now there are two types of the saddle keys: hollow saddle key and flat saddle key. The major difference between this hollow saddle key and the flat saddle key is, when you observe the key, at the bottom part of the key, if the concave surface is present, then we can call it as a hollow saddle key. If at the bottom part of the key, if you find a flat surface, then we can call it as a flat saddle key. Okay. As only the frictional forces are responsible for the power transmission, these saddle keys are used in light duty applications only. They are not suitable for medium and heavy duty applications. When coming to the advantage part, saddle keys are less in cost. Why? Because only one keyway is necessary to fit the key, where if you take a sunk key, there are two keyways are required to fit into the shaft and the hub. Therefore, the machining will take less time. Obviously, it leads to less cost, and the disadvantage part is only the frictional forces are responsible for the power transmission. Therefore, the power transmission capacity is less. Finally, the important points are: saddle keys are light duty application only, and the principle involved is frictional forces are responsible for the power transmission. Two types of saddle keys: hollow saddle key and the flat saddle key. Concave surface at the bottom of the key is present for hollow saddle key, and the flat surface at the bottom part of the key is present for flat saddle key.